I've got a variety of parts here from a bathtub. I'm in the middle of a project resurfacing the tub unit, and someone had got paint on all these items. I don't know why they painted them. However, I figured I'd just buy new ones, but this has been soaking a week. It's just a little bit of paint on there. I'm surprised that came off. And I'm not using any paint strippers or anything, just household products. So I'm going to let these soak. And I'm in no hurry. I'll let them soak another 2 weeks, see how they come up. You can see that stuff's on there. It's not coming off. And you can't use steel wool on there, you'll damage the surface, but these might turn out like brand new. I just mentioned common household products. Well, this doesn't fit the bill. However, I purchased this not long ago. I'm going to use this on the tub surface before the refinishing. So I added a little bit of this along with these products. Gain, Comet, household bleach into the tub. There's a lot of Comet in here and very little of the other products. So, that's the way I do things, like a real man. So, I'm just going to let them soak until that stuff comes loose. And if it doesn't come loose, I'll get new ones. However, I have a pellet stove in the basement, like a wood stove. If I heated these just a little bit, that might really knock that stuff off. So this has been a couple weeks. I never did heat the water, but it ain't working too good. So I got a new idea. So I'm going to pour some acetone onto a towel and then wrap this unit up. So I'll add a little bit more to it. See, you have nothing to lose if you're just going to buy new stuff. Wrap in saran wrap so it can't dry out. Now you ladies out there, and some men, can do a lot nicer, neater job than what I'm doing. I'll do the same to these items. I'll let these soak a couple days, sneak a peek, see if it worked. It's been a couple days. I think that's plenty of time. If that didn't do it, it's a lost cause. Wow, it's still wet. So I could let it soak. Man, that's strong. The vapor. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Wow. Whatever kind of paint they used, it was good stuff. That's not even lifting. I should have used a paint stripper. So this is a lost cause, but you can see there's a nice finish underneath this. That's sad. So here's a variety of parts that did come up satisfactory. That I have a new one anyway, but that would have worked. This is a little scratched up looking, but the tub is used. I'd rather have new, of course. So there's the parts that did well, the others did not. So I just couldn't help myself. You know how you get determined and you're like, I want that stuff off. Well, here's what worked. A little bit of brake clean, automotive, on a sponge. Now when you guys do this, be sure to wear gloves, right? So we'll rinse this off and see how the parts look. Overall, I'm happy with the result. This is pitted, so I'll get a new one of them. Almost looks new. Out of curiosity, I'm going to see if this 1000 grit will take these scratches out. Step it up to 2000. I've never seen anything like this. It's like felt. It's better. I mean, the finish is gone, I believe. But it's nice and smooth now. Nice. So I was just curious if I could remove that paint. And it worked out. Meanwhile, I was looking at a complete replacement set, and it's in the neighborhood of $65. And that's not including this one. That one's about 40 bucks by itself. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Turned out pretty nice. Better than expected. And if you'd like to see the refinishing of this tub surround, I'll provide a link